Hello and welcome. This is a sandwich called how to make a peanut butter McMuffin. First thing you gotta do is you peel the English muffin and you put it in the toaster for 2 minutes max, if not 3 or 4, but 4 might be too long, just so as you know. Or it may not be bad. It's up to you if you want to toast it, but not for too long so it doesn't taste burnt or full of tar. We're waiting patiently for it to toast, and get a knife and for the peanut butter. Now what we have to do is put down the one so it can pop up faster. And it popped. Okay. Open up the peanut butter and we put the peanut butter on. And then after that, put in the other condiment, mayonnaise. Then after that, put on the English muffins together. And here is your Peanut Butter McMuffin. Enjoy it, folks.